Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we're going to take a look or an unboxing walkthrough of the Grimm Tales Tarot by Fiona Edgewood. This is a really visually striking deck. Okay, it comes, look at the box even. It's really beautiful. Okay, so I was a bit like, oh, Grimm Tales, but it actually is, okay. Welcome to the eerily familiar world of the Grimm Tales Tarot, where I guess it's the Brothers Grimm, is it? Where images and symbols from fairy tales magically mingle with undercurrents of occult secrets that lurk behind cottage doors and dark forests. Reading with this Rider-Waite Smith style deck, big tick in the box like that, allows you to create your own dark fairy tale full of magical knowledge to guide your life path. Use your intuition to listen to the characters as they whisper messages about your modern day once upon a time. Now it is a Llewellyn deck. Yes, it is a Llewellyn deck. Okay, this little book comes with it. So we've got at the beginning, obviously, the initiation, as in what the concept of the deck. Look at that, so stunning. You feel like you're, and the quality of even the images alone are stunning. Right, the Brothers Grimm were story collectors, but what few know about is the brothers weren't just interested in folk stories and fables. The pair were among the world's most fevered, I must get glasses, most fevered purveyors of magic knowledge. It is rumoured the brothers descended from a long line of midwives and witches on their maternal side, which ignited a flame of curiosity the brothers found impossible to extinguish. So, I won't tell the whole thing, but that's essentially it. Then you've got how to use the deck, getting started, and then some sample spreads. There's a few of those, the major arcana. Then we go through, so you've got literally the image and the card. So every single picture, every single tarot card has got its own page. And then we've got what the card means. And so it continues right the way through. Each card is fully illustrated because it's a Rider-Waite style. And what do we have at the end? Is there anything at the end? Just a bit about the author. To write to the author. Okay. It really is a stunning deck. So there's that little book. And now I need to get them out of this paper. I'm always struggle with these paper. Let me pause. I managed it. Okay. So here's the backs. They are a matte finish, so not glossy. Quality of the card. They're thinner, but they're not poor quality. And it's nice because you can get the whole deck in your hand very easily. Standard tarot size as well, so awesome. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to go through these, and if you want to speed up, then you've got the settings in the YouTube video, so you can just do that. Isn't this? I'm possibly going to fall quite quiet because I haven't seen every single card. And as a result of that, I'm going to be slightly mesmerized. I think we would say Rider-Waite style, maybe. I don't think that it's not the same scene, is it, as the Rider-Waite, but let's look at the minors. They are gorgeous. So you have within them the symbols, you see. And this is so that I guess they can tell you their own story. So instead of zipping through them, you would take each card and really study it. Because this is poison, isn't it? But it's capped. Until death do us part. So the sea creatures are in here, are they? The Five of Cups. Yeah, so this is all about the emotion. So you will see the themes in them. Sorry, I'm moving the camera again. Oh my goodness me. Do let me know what you think in the comments. I'll be really interested to know if you'll have the same reaction as I am. They are really very beautiful. I've actually had it for a little while, this one, and I kept thinking I must get round to that, and I hadn't done it, and I wish I'd done it sooner, really. It's very... Oh, piecing the heart, piecing yourself back together again, isn't it, after the heartache? Have any of you got this deck? How are you finding working with it? Wow, that was a bit of a journey. You feel that journey? So that is the Grimm Tales Tarot by Fiona Edgewood, and it's a little Llewellyn deck. Okay, as I said, I'm really interested to see what you think as well. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.